Hello, gorgeous souls. How are you today? How's that heart feeling? Just give it a little love. Imagine a beautiful little thread going from your heart to your brain and back to your heart. A little golden light traveling from your heart to your brain. From your heart to your brain, allowing you to feel, allowing you to think, allowing you to know what's right for you. Run that central meridian. Run that central. Hold those emotional stress release points. Allow that energy to the frontal cortex. Oxytocin, serotonin, dopamine, our beautiful feel-good hormones. It's our divine right to feel light, to feel loved, to feel happy. Things happen to us where this isn't the case for so many, especially on the planet right now. Where are you at your part of the world? We are extending our lockdown for another 5 days. So few cases, so much bureaucracy. Just making me crazy. How about you? Okay, I'm going to do some little immune system points. So there's some points at the side of the body and in underneath here. So by tapping them, we're activating the immune system. Beautiful immunity is my divine right. I trust my immune system to recognize and fight infections. Happiness and love I send to my immune system and my heart, and it keeps me safe with ease and grace. Running that central meridian, activating any and all T helper cells, T cell memory, activating any and all T helper cells, T cell memory, so that we're safe in this beautiful planet of ours. Run that central meridian, give your little thymus gland a tap. Wakey, wakey, rise and shine. I trust my immune system. It works with ease and grace. I choose my healthy lifestyle, which allows my immune system to function beautifully. I think about what I put inside my body so my immune system functions effectively. All day, every day, I make choices. Choices for my immunity, choices for my health, choices for my mental acuity. Life is good, life is good, life is good. Life is good, life is good, life is good. Life is good, life is good, life is good. Now let's shimmy that negative energy. So imagine the planet. So once again, just visualize our entire beautiful golden planet. Healing light all around it. See that negativity, see the evil, see the puppets. Okay, and let's shimmy the evil. Imagine golden light replacing the evil. 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 God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. Lord, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. And breathe. How are your cells? Are you feeling a nice little tingling throughout your body? I'll do another one later on. Oh, I've had cancellations today. Have a beautiful day. Love you. Take care.